Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Please hit that like button and that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, please hit that bell button so you get those notifications. It helps the channel out a lot. Today, we're taking the truck. We're going for a little ride. We're gonna go down south a little bit here, about 2 hours south towards Moss. And we're gonna pick up my brother-in-law, my best friend's tractor. We're gonna bring it back from his old house up to his new house. I'm gonna take you along for the ride. What happened down there? All right, so right now we're headed on over to my best friend's house. We're gonna go pick up a trailer. He's using his neighbor's trailer, so I don't know. I know it's from like 1976 or 1979. I'm pretty sure it's a triple axle, so we'll see what the condition of the trailer is. I know it's a pintle hitch. I'm not a big fan of pintle hitches, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. It's a trailer. We can use it, we can borrow it, and hopefully this goes well for us today. So what we have here is a 1978 Trail King. It's rated for up to 21,000 pounds. The tractor we are picking up is roughly around 11,000 pounds, so this will be really nice. Any other trailer we found wasn't rated for up to that rating, that weight rating, so this will be really nice to have. It is a triaxle, which triaxles drive very, very nice if you've never pulled a triaxle before. It's a lot better than a dual axle trailer. For a 1978, it is, the deck obviously is in really rough shape, but this thing has hardly seen any salt at all and is in great shape to be, for a Wisconsin trailer for 1978 to be in this type of shape, to have never been redone. The jack here works outstanding, no issues there. I should have brought some coil along with me to be able to kind of dress this up a little bit better, because it definitely needs some attention. It's a little sticky. If you guys have any suggestions on hitches, I would love a suggestion other than kind of, this is his pintle hitch that he gave us. I was thinking of maybe doing a bulletproof hitch instead of using something like that, and then also have the option for a drop hitch, which would be a lot better than, you know, having to constantly swap out hitches. There's my nice little LED tailgate light bar that I've got. It works out really nice. I do think I'm going to upgrade to a better one here in the future, because I know I've mentioned that to you guys before. I definitely want to get a little bit of a better one, and one that's maybe hardwired in instead of just plugged into the 4-pin trailer plug. We've got our binders and our chains. We've got a spare tire. I do have my Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact for anytime any issues go wrong with my truck, say I get a flat tire or something like that, I keep that on me at all times. Hopefully nothing happens, and so we also will have that along with us in case something happens with the trailer, but I don't think anything will happen. I think it'll be a good, successful trip. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead, hit on the road here, and hopefully we get ourselves a nice, good, successful pickup and drop off. All right, so we got here to my best friend's house, got the trailer here, ready to go look at the tractor. It was a very bumpy ride. The trailer definitely did not like when you were going, say, 20 miles an hour to 30 miles an hour. Obviously though, with the triaxle you're gonna get that, but anyways, it was a good ride, smooth ride, no hiccups, so all right, so if you guys have never used load binders before, you simply wrap your chain around what you want it to do, get the chain all the way down to where you need it to go, and then realistically just start ratcheting it. These ratchets, they have a forward and reverse, so realistically you just got to make sure you're ratcheting it tight and not ratcheting it loose. It's really that simple.
And you just slack goes here.
Yeah, and then the slack just kind of hangs down like that. We only had 3 binders, so that's why we didn't put any binders on the back. That's why you saw us hook up the tractor, not the truck, Jesus, from the rear, and then yank it forward and use the binders on the front. Minneapolis Mowing Super 670
right there. Well, I guess it's a 670.
Yeah, I can't really see
It's a Super 670.
Here's a tractor for you guys. I don't know anything about tractors really, but it's a Minneapolis Moline Super 670, right? Yeah, I got it. So it's a really nice tractor, super powerful. You can walk through if you don't mind being on camera. Super powerful.
75 pushing 80. Yeah.
Holy cow. Okay. So it's 75 pushing 80, like Austin just said, but really nice tractor. You got a good deal on it. Runs pretty good. Just got to get it started. It takes a little bit to get it started, a little ether. But other than that, sits really nice. Sits really well on the trailer. Trailer pulls really nice. I'm interested to see how the trailer pulls with it, with a load on it. Hopefully it'll be a little more smoother, which it should be. Truck isn't really suffering too bad. So all in all, pretty happy so far. I will have to say though, if you have a little nick somewhere on the camera here, which it should be somewhere over here, that is due to my wonderful wife. She dropped my camera and put a little crack in it right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but so if it shows up on the computer, we may have to get a new camera. So, but we're gonna go ahead and get this back, and I'll see you when we get it back. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. So the tractor itself is roughly 10,000 pounds, I do believe. With the loader, it's around 11.5, I want to say. So that's why we had to get the heavy duty trailer, because the tractor weighs roughly 11,000 pounds. And then the trailer, geez, I'd say it's close to another 5. So we're pushing around 16,000 pounds for this load, along with all the other stuff that's in my back of the truck bed. And then we also have this snowmobile trailer we're going to throw on the back of the ramps there. So we will see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I wanted to come back to you guys real quick here while we're driving. The truck is driving great. The trailer's pulling amazing. It's not bumpy at all. It's very, very smooth. In fact, I have my elbow sitting on my armrest right now as the camera is right there. And I can tell you right now, it is driving smooth. It is pulling smooth. I mean, it's a great afternoon. Unfortunately, it is going to get dark on us, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys unloading the tractor because I did not bring my big Milwaukee light. I apologize for that greatly. I should have been a little more prepared because I did plan on this type of video for you guys. Unfortunately, I can't show the unload, but it's pretty simple. I think you guys get the gist. Undo the binders, unload everything, you know, and then just go ahead and take the tractor off. Pretty simple. So that being said, I might be looking into getting a trailer like this and able to do some maybe weekend hauling, something like that. I do enjoy it. I love doing this type of stuff. My truck performs absolutely outstanding in these circumstances, and I have a lot of more improvements that are coming to make even doing stuff like this even better. So stay tuned for all the good stuff that we got coming on, you guys. Again, I apologize not being able to show you guys the unload process, but like I said shortly before, it's very simple. So have yourselves a great night, have yourselves a great weekend, and we will see you guys in the next video.